How to use CapCut templates on PC. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to use CapCut templates on PC. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just really quick and simple, so let's go. So the first thing you need to do is to head over to your CapCut. So you can do this on the browser and also on the app on your PC. But for this tutorial, I will use the CapCut.com, which is on the browser. So just head over to CapCut.com and then sign into your account. Now after you have signed in, you can see your projects right here, video templates, image templates. So what I can do is you can just choose if you want to use video templates or use image templates. So for this one right here, yes, use video templates. So in here you can just scroll down what templates you want to use. So let's scroll down right here. And for example, I want to use this template right here. As you can see, if you head over and hover to this specific template, you can see your preview of that specific template. So in order to use it, you can just click on it and then click on this use this template, and then this will open another window right here wherein you can just add the media that you want to add. So you can just click on replace right here, and then from in there you can just add the specific photo that you want to add. So for example, this is that photo or video, you can do that. So just replace everything. Then after you have done that, you can just head over and click on export right here, and then choose the file name, resolution, and click on export right here. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to use CapCut templates on PC. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like.